taking 5. Let's go, yeah. Learning fast. Yeah, here we go. AI in 5.
Pop quiz, hotshot. You've got the most powerful AI tools in human history sitting right there on your phone, your laptop, maybe even in your classroom. You're getting mediocre answers. Why? Well, because you're not asking right. Welcome to AI in 5. I'm your AI tour guide, JR, and today we are cracking open one of the most important and most misunderstood skills in the AI age: prompt engineering. 5 minutes, one big idea. Let's go. Okay, first, what exactly is prompt engineering? And no, it doesn't mean you need a hard hat. Here's the simplest definition I've got: prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting the instructions you give to an AI to get the best possible results. Think of it this way: you walk into the world's greatest chef's kitchen, Gordon Ramsay, and say, "Make me food." You're going to get something, but walk in and say, "Make me a spicy Thai basil chicken with jasmine rice, extra crispy, light on the fish sauce." Now we're talking. Chef Morimoto. Woohoo! AI is that chef. Your prompt is the order. The word engineering is in there, well, for a reason. This isn't just typing a question, it's structuring your request with context, clarity, tone, examples, and constraints, so the AI understands not just what you want, but how you want it and why. And here's a quick headline from IBM's 2026 Guide to Prompt Engineering. Prompt engineering is the new coding. In a world increasingly driven by machine learning, the ability to communicate with AI generated systems using natural language is essential. The new coding. Let that sink in. Now, let's talk about why this matters, and this is where it gets real. In September of 2025, Fortune magazine reported that Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, one of the most powerful tech executives in the entire planet or galaxy, or until we find something else, publicly shared his top 5 AI prompts on LinkedIn. The CEO of a 3.7 trillion, that's with a T, not a B or an M, company was essentially saying, "Here's how I talk to AI, and it's supercharging my workflow." He says, "So the intellectual property of any application or any firm is, how do you use all these models with context engineering or your data? As long as firms can answer that question, they're gonna be getting ahead." Context engineering. That's just a power username for what we're talking about today. The numbers back this up. According to a 2026 industry analysis from SQ Magazine, prompt engineering is growing at a 32% compound annual growth rate. LinkedIn reports a 434% increase in job postings mentioning prompt engineering all since 2023. And certified prompt engineers, they're commanding 27% higher wages than comparable roles. Research from the early 26 found that with proper prompting, complex tasks that took humans 3.55 hours were completed in just 18.7 minutes. That's an 11 times speed up. Not a typo, 11 times faster. And for our educators in the room, 68% of firms now provide prompt engineering training to their staff. Schools and universities are racing to catch up. EdTech platforms are hiring prompt designers specifically to craft educational questions, hints, and explanations that adapt to student needs. So if you're a teacher, a student, a business owner, or just a human alive now, this skill is for you. And here's the word from the academic world. Dr. Andrew Ng, an AI pioneer, Stanford professor, co-founder of Coursera, and one of the most respected voices in AI education, put it plainly: by learning how to engineer effective prompts, we can create AI interactions that feel more like natural conversations and provide personalized and timely assistance to users in various domains. And Ng didn't just talk to talk. He co created one of the most taken prompt engineering courses on the planet with OpenAI because he knows this is the new literacy. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, sums it up beautifully in their prompting guidelines with what they call the golden rule of clear prompting. Show your prompt to a colleague with no context and see if they can follow it. If they're confused, the AI will be confused. Clear input, clear output. It's that simple and that powerful. Another phrase is garbage in, garbage out. So here's your challenge for this week. From, of course, your AI tour guide, JR, here's your homework assignment. I want you to take one task that you've been doing with AI and rebuild your prompt from scratch. Ask yourself these three things. First, what role should the AI play? For instance, act as an experienced high school science teacher. Second question, what context does it need? This is for 10th graders who just learned about photosynthesis. Okay. Third question, what format do you want? Give me a 5-question quiz with an answer key. Role, context, format. That's your starter kit. Because here's the truth, the AI hasn't changed. Your prompt has. And that's how entirely now it's in your hands. This has been AI Innovation Unleashed, making AI make sense for my listeners. This has been AI in 5. Join us next time on this podcast, or listen to our other podcast episodes, or visit us online at AIinnovationsunleashed.com, or all of our social media presence. So this has been your AI tour guide, JR, and I'll see you next time on AI in 5.
Thanks for listening.